Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Keep in mind that sea salt can help you attract money quickly and easily. I want you to know that sea salt can attract money, favor, and abundance into your life if you have sea salt in your house. You're welcome to my channel. This is New Life with Precious. If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and watch all my videos. Okay, this is a very big family and we help ourselves with spiritual solutions to spiritual problems. For you, my long-time supporters, I really love you. Thank you so much for your support. Attract money quickly and easily with sea salt. You want to stop poverty and be rich? This video is for you. Attract quick money with sea salt. Like I said earlier, you have to keep in mind that sea salt will make you abundant in everything. You're going to attract money, you're going to banish poverty, you're going to attract favor, you're going to attract all good things of life. All you have to do is make sure you have salt in your house. This is salt, okay? You have to make it abundant in your house. This way, you're going to attract money, okay? Number one, you have to put like a handful of sea salt, on the center and the back side of your entrance door. Okay, this will bring you money, this will bring you wealth. Okay, this is very important. Number two, when you put sea salt in your house, in your office, in your business premises, it's going to trap all the bad energy. It's going to stop them from coming into your house, and it's going to help you attract good energy. All right, this is very important. That's number two. And also, when you put sea salt in the front of your house, like on your door, right? Anybody that enters into your house, it will help them attract abundance. When they enter your house, it will help them attract abundance. Okay? But all you have to do when you do this, you have to replace the salt. You have to replace the salt every 10 days. Okay, this is to make sure that you renew the power of the sea salt. This way you purify it, you make it more powerful when you replace it every 10 days. Okay, number four, when you get sea salt, just wrap it in a plastic or in a small bag. Just put a teaspoon of sea salt in a small bag or a plastic wrap, okay, and just put it in your bag. Put it in your bag and carry it wherever you go. You are in your house, you are at your business place, you are in your office. Whenever you're going out, just carry that salt in your bag. Okay, this will help you attract money quickly and easily, and the same principle applies. Make sure you renew it, you change the salt every 10 days. Okay, and this will make the salt more powerful. It will make the sea salt more energized. Okay, so number five, if you're having difficulty in managing your finances, just put sea salt in all the corners of your house. Okay, You can use a plastic container, right? You can use plastic containers. All right. This is very important to help you attract wealth. It's very important to make you attract money. Like I said earlier, sea salt is going to help you absorb all negative energies. All right. Any negative energy, whether witchcraft, whether satanic manipulation that is in your house, it will absorb all of them. One important thing that you have to one important advice is to make sure you do this on a new moon day. Whenever a new moon is coming out, that is when you want to do this, right? Because on that day you have a special phase happening, right? It marks the new beginnings, and this is the best time to renew, your salt. Is the best day to use this sea salt to attract quick money, to attract quick wealth into your life. All right. So, and as well to replace all the energies around you. So try this out. This is very powerful, this is very informational, and this is very helpful. It's going to help you attract money quickly and easily. All right. Use sea salt to attract money quickly and easily. You want to stop poverty and attract wealth and be rich, this video is for you. If you love this video already, just go right ahead, right, and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video. Let's share it far and wide. Don't just watch it alone. Share it with your friends and family for their benefits. All right. If you have not yet decided to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now, for more videos. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. I'm going to see you in my next video. All right. Until then, I leave you in the hands of God. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.